Hello to all my friends out there. How you guys? Okay, I'm still on the low carb diet. Tonight and tomorrow is it. I made some herbal tea. This one is good. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm not just working on my bad eating habits. I'm going through everything. Okay, as you get older, caffeine is not your friend. So in the afternoons, I have a pretty high-fat diet so I can make it through the day. But at night, I want to go to more high protein diets. So what I bought chicken breast. See how fat this is? And this is the turkey meat. Probably tomorrow I'll have some okay, I have a little mallet. You can buy these for like $1. Nothing is expensive anymore. You can just go to Dollar Tree. So what I want to make is I want to make like some homemade McNuggets. So, if you're going to go out and buy it fast food, it cannot be expensive. So I'm going to make my version. I have 1 egg white, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, and it's supposed to be MSG, but I just sprinkled my chicken with salt because I don't have any MSG. I don't really want any. Okay, I'm just gonna put 1/4 because I have garlic powder, and then the pepper is gonna taste really good, so I'll put a little bit of pepper. And I think I bought these chicken breasts. What is this? Oh, this is the weird pepper. Look at this. It's cheap. What can I say? Okay, so I want to make myself some tasty nuggets. And then, I'll make another salad I'll concoct some salad. Believe it or not, I finally found my whisk. What I had to do is go digging around to find the little mallet thing, and then I, found my whisk. This will be bad if it's not mixed in good, and big clumps got on my. Okay, so I have 1 egg white, 1/4 teaspoon garlic. You could put half. And 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. That's all that's in it. Okay, now to dip my chicken before I fry it, I'm making a small one, so I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 nuggets, and those were $1. So now I have 1 cup flour. Well, I have 3/4. Notice how everything's 1, so if I want to make it less, I just 1 cup water. But I use 3/4 cup because, I figure this is for a lot. All right, let me get some water. I can refill my water at the gas station for like 20 cents. If you look around and you find yourself a cheap place to buy the so it only makes sense, if you're buying some kind of fast food, it's not going to be expensive. And then the only thing I need in this is onion powder, 1 tablespoon. So I'll put, my onion powder is lumpy. So the thing about this is this should get me through until tomorrow, get me through the diet. I posted all the $5 meal challenges on my Twitter. Just go to Rotastone Twitter, and I will post this on there too. So instead of MSG, I just I hope these lumps come out. Sometimes you get lumps and it can be hard to get the lumps out. So I think the trick to the good nuggets is to pound them out. All right, so now let's see what happens. These shouldn't take long. So the trick to diets is to find food you like. And another thing is, you know, if you have kids and you learn how to make these, then, you know, the kids will be happy as well. I'll make this nice big juicy one. I'm moving up in the world, you guys. So all this is 3/4 cup flour, 3/4 cup water, and a half tablespoon of garlic. You can put more in if you want. And if I should just run out of this concoction, I could just dip these in flour, salt, and pepper. That would be good too. Or, you know, you could add whatever you want to add. So see how easy this would be, and just to make a little salad, or if you have frozen fries, that would be good too. So in a way, if you think about it, this is like demystifying McNuggets. Even though I bought this chicken, these chicken breasts for $1, you know, I think I paid $1. It's still better quality chicken than you're going to get out. So you figure each one of these McNuggets would be, or these nuggets would be about 10 cents each. Okay, so remember my hot dogs with the bun? Those were for like 80 cents, and so were the buns. So my hot dogs were about 20 cents. These are nice big ones, and these are about 10 cents each. So I'm looking for my spatula. And so then if you have some barbecue sauce, I have a fly. Ugh. He wants to appear. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to flip these around until I'm pretty sure they're done. What I'll do to make sure they're done is I will cut into one. You don't want to take any chances on raw chicken. Like when I fry chicken, what I usually do is I cover it. You know, when I flip it, when I get it, you know, just about done, I cover it for 15 or 20 minutes. You could. So, okay, you guys, I think you got the idea. Let me give you one more shot of the recipe. You can season it any way you want. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.